Microsoft Windows. Student will be able to classify the files and folders in Microsoft Windows, identify the different folders created by Windows, explore any computer, create files and folders, delete files and folders, rename files and folders, restore the deleted files and folders. Windows 7 creates 4 folders for you to store your files. Documents, to store documents and other files. Pictures, to store picture files. Music, to store music files. Videos, to store video files. Exploring your computer. Windows Explorer can be used to view all the files and folders. To open Windows Explorer,
click on Start menu. Point to All Programs. On the All Program menu, open Accessories. Select Windows Explorer from the menu. Windows Explorer opens Documents folder looking like this.
Good habits. Always use a meaningful file name and also easy to remember. Viewing files and folders in different ways. Files or folders can be viewed in different ways. You can change the view by clicking on this icon from the toolbar and selecting any one view.
Details view displays a list of files or folders and their size, type, etc. Icons view displays the icon and file name. List view displays a list of files and folders with no additional information and a small icon representing the file type.
Creating and deleting files and folders. To create a new folder,
on the File and Folder Tasks menu, click Make a new folder. New folder is created with the default folder selected. Type the name of the folder and then press Enter.
To create a new text document,
right-click in the right pane of Windows Explorer and on the shortcut menu, point to New and then click Text Document. Text document is created with the default file name selected. Type the name of the folder and then press Enter.
To make a copy of a file,
right-click on the file and click Copy on the shortcut menu. Right-click on empty area of the right pane of the window to be copied and click Paste on the shortcut menu.
Or
select the file to be copied on the Edit menu. Click Copy. Open the window of the folder to be copied to. On the Edit menu, click Paste.
To delete a file or folder,
click the file to select it and select the Delete from the File menu. Click Yes to confirm the deletion.
Or select the file or folder and press the Delete key. Click Yes to confirm the deletion. Or
right-click the file or folder and select Delete from the shortcut menu and click Yes to confirm the deletion.
The deleted file goes to recycle bin. It is a place that stores the deleted files. If you change your mind after deleting, you can also get back the deleted files from the recycle bin. Restoring is to get the deleted file back. To restore deleted file,
double-click the recycle bin. Select the file to be restored. Click Restore this item task from the task menu.
to empty the recycle bin,
right-click on recycle bin, select Empty recycle bin.
to rename a file or folder,
Click on My Documents on the desktop. Select the file or folder to be renamed. Click Rename this folder task in Files and Folder Tasks menu. Type the new name and press Enter.
More to know. By right-clicking the Start button and clicking Explore quickly, Windows Explorer can be used. Keywords, Files, Folders, Windows Explorer, Recycle bin, Restore, Details view, Icons view, List view, Thumbnail view, Tiles view,